Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Now, this is a quick reminder that on January 9th at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we have the Hot Beverage Valentine's Day Treats and Sweets collaboration. It is a special theme edition. It's a birthday edition celebrating Sandylynn's home and garden. Can't wait to see you there. Let's move on to the second reminder. Now, I did want to tell you that the items that are on the table right now were thrifted items except for the black dinner plate. And this is an absolutely beautiful table. Now, on January 18 at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I'm hosting the Vintage Valentine's Day DIY collaboration. I cannot wait to have you there, guys. If you don't DIY, then you can go ahead and decorate with vintage decor, and it doesn't matter what it is you make. Remember that vintage just means old, pearls, lace, things of that nature. And I can't wait to see you there, guys. You can find a lot of these items in thrift stores. So again, the Vintage Valentine collaboration, and it's at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We will be celebrating, it's a birthday theme, and we will be celebrating Sandylynn's Home and Garden's birthday. So have an amazing day and God bless you.